Look, guys, let me show you how real English sounds in real life. Imagine you're at the airport. Your flight is delayed.
Hey, do you know what's going on with the flight?
Yeah, looks like it's been pushed back an hour.
Well, that's annoying.
At least we have time for coffee.
Yeah, true.
Native speakers don't say, I am very annoyed here.
At least the coffee here isn't bad.
You traveling for work or vacation?
Work, but I'm not complaining.
Notice this. He didn't say I am okay with it. He said I'm not complaining.
Attention passengers, boarding will begin shortly.
This line is moving painfully slow.
Native speakers say painfully slow, not very, very slow.
All right, let's get this over with. Long flight ahead.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is. Acceptance. Very native, very real.
Okay, that's not great.
But I'll live.
Made it.
Finally.
First time here?
Yeah, but I'm getting the hang of it.
Getting the hang of it and learning naturally. Wow, look at that hotel!
It's beautiful. Let's go check in.
Not bad at all.
This is how real English sounds. Short, natural, no stress. Don't forget to follow.